It's very common in families of kids with ADHD, as well as autism, that the parent-child hierarchy gets flipped upside down, meaning the parents are no longer in charge and the kids are controlling their home through their behaviors and their inflexibility. Well, here's the thing. All kids know that parents are supposed to be in charge, so when the parent-child hierarchy is flipped upside down like that, it really doesn't feel good to kids. Yes, they might like that they can get what they want and control things, but deep down inside, it doesn't feel good and it feels emotionally unsafe. So if this is the dynamic in your house, if your child has learned to control your house through their behaviors, their inflexibility, or because they know how to tap into your fears and anxieties, no judgment at all, but you need to turn the parent-child hierarchy the right way up before things get worse, and I promise you they will get worse. So in Scaffolding Better Behavior, my parent behavior training program, I teach how to reduce parental accommodation, which helps to turn that parent-child hierarchy right side up. If you haven't yet checked out the behavior playlist on my YouTube channel, please check it out. And when you're ready to implement strategies at home that are going to help make home life less stressful for everybody, please check out Scaffolding Better Behavior. And remember, parent training is the American Academy of Pediatrics recommended treatment for kids with ADHD, not individual therapy. I'll talk to you soon.